In this video, I'll show you how to use a worksheet function within your custom UDF. So I've got an example here with some X values, and then I've got equals test UDF, open brackets, the range of X values, and it reads out a value for me. So if I come over to the developer tab and click on Visual Basic, open module 1, and I'll show you what this is doing. So I've got function test UDF, open brackets, X range is the name I'm giving to the range of X values. I then need to convert that into a variant array, and then the worksheet function is just to find the mean. So I've got test UDF equals worksheet function dot average, open brackets, X range, close brackets. So what that's doing is it's using the worksheet function average. So I could have just written equals average in the worksheet itself, and then it's finding the average of the values in that range, and then I need to write end function. Some other examples of worksheet functions I could use are shown here, so standard deviation, median, maximum, minimum. So we'll just close this, come back to the spreadsheet, and you can see what we're basically doing is equals test UDF, open brackets, the values, so we select all these values here, close brackets, and it just gives us the average. Now I could have done this just within the spreadsheet itself, so this is just a very trivial example just to illustrate to you how you can use a worksheet function within the VBA code. So I hope you find that useful in your own UDF project. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.